Okay, in this video, I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on controlling a computer remotely. Okay, so when you log into your logmein account, you just pick the computer. So here's one I just added. It says Pro right now, so it's got a few more functions on it, but we'll just log in here. So we get the connecting screen. Okay, and then it's asking for the computer access code. This is what you get if you add the extra layer of security, the password. And if you don't have an account that's secured on Windows, it'll ask you to put this in when you're setting up Log Me In. Okay, so let's just log in here. As you see, when you type the wrong password in, it boots you out. Okay, so here it is. It's encrypting the connection now. Okay, and here it is. We now have the computer remote controlled here. So this is just showing on their screen, telling them that we are logged in. Okay, now many of these features on this side won't show up on the free version. So once it turns to free, you're not going to see all of this over here. You'll just see the dashboard and a couple of other things. Okay, now up here you have a few things. You have some options here. So you can change the color quality, the way you view it here. So you can scale it actual size, zoom in. Here you have the resolution. So you can change the resolution the way you need it. Full screen, we'll get to that in a sec. You can send a Control-Alt-Delete to the remote system. Okay, here you have sound. When you get the free version, you're not going to see the sound here because you can't hear the sound remotely. Magnify, laser pointer. You can chat with the person on the other side, so you can start a chat session. Whiteboard. And then you have keyboard and some other things over here. So what I want to show you next, though, is full screen. So you can click here, or you can go to that bar here and click full screen. It does the same thing. So let's do this. Okay, and now I am full screen on the remote user's computer. Okay, so I can take complete control of it now and whatever I'm going to do. Okay, so I'm actually on the remote system doing these things. So it works very well. You have full control over everything. And then if you put your mouse up right here, little bar will pop down. Okay, and then from here, you can do those other controls again. So if I hit that again, brings it back down into the window. Okay, so it's pretty simple to use. You have options, and then here you can print. Okay, so that sends the Control-Alt-Delete. Okay, so we just had a disconfiguration there because the internet went down. Okay, so that's really all there is to it. You can just take control of the computer. You can do it right in your browser, or you can make it full screen so that you can easily use your whole monitor to take complete control of the computer. And then putting your mouse up here brings us back down as I showed you. Okay, and then to disconnect, you can either hit the X here, or you can go down to the left side, disconnect as well. They both do the same thing. So let's click there, click yes. Okay, and this takes us back to our dashboard. This is the Pro version, so you see a lot more information here. In the free version, you don't see anywhere near as much information when you go back to the dashboard. Okay, and then from here, we can just click disconnect again. And we're back out. Okay, and here's our list of computers. Now, when you want to add logmein to a specific computer, like when I added this one in, all you have to do is go to the computer you want to put the software on, log into your logmein account, and then click Add Computer. That will download the logmein software, and then you just install it on that computer, and it will show up in your list. Okay, so that's it for logmein.